If you're trying to decide between TunnelBear VPN and IPVanish for your specific needs, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a first time VPN user or managing a household with multiple devices, these two services are worth considering, but which one really stands out for you? Let's break it down. First thing to note, TunnelBear VPN is widely praised for being extremely user friendly, making it ideal for first time VPN users. Its interface is super intuitive with a simple design that makes it easy to get up and running, even if you've never used a VPN before. Plus, TunnelBear's free plan offers limited but usable access, which is a great starting point. The downside? You're capped at 500 megabytes of data per month, which won't cut it for heavy browsing or streaming. Next thing, when it comes to speed and security, TunnelBear does offer strong encryption, but let's be honest, its speed can be inconsistent. It's fine for casual browsing and general privacy protection, but if you need something faster for activities like gaming or streaming, you might hit a wall. Plus, TunnelBear is based in Canada, which is part of the Five Eyes Alliance, raising potential concerns for privacy-focused users. Now, let's talk about IPVanish. Unlike TunnelBear, IPVanish is better suited for multi-device households. With IPVanish, you get unlimited simultaneous connections, which is perfect if you've got multiple devices in your home. Think phones, tablets, laptops, even streaming devices. This level of flexibility is something TunnelBear simply can't compete with. IPVanish also performs well in terms of speed, especially when streaming, so it's a strong contender if that's a key feature for you. But here's the catch with IPVanish. It's a bit more complex than TunnelBear. The interface isn't as clean, and while it's still user-friendly, there's a slight learning curve for beginners. Plus, unlike TunnelBear, IPVanish doesn't have a free plan, so you're jumping in with a paid subscription from the start. The fourth thing to consider, both services offer strong security features, but IPVanish's zero logs policy is a real advantage for those concerned about privacy. TunnelBear does offer a transparency report and is generally trustworthy, but the fact that IPVanish is based in the US, where data privacy laws are more stringent, might give it a leg up for security-conscious users. So, which one should you choose? For first-time VPN users, TunnelBear's simplicity and free plan make it the obvious choice, but if you're in a household with multiple devices or you plan to stream or game more frequently, IPVanish stands out as the better option. That said, both are solid, but if you want a better alternative tailored for the goal mentioned in this video, I'd recommend you check out the first link in the description for an exclusive free trial and benefits that you won't find elsewhere. After testing both TunnelBear and IPVanish myself, this alternative checks all the boxes for first-time users and multi-device households alike. So, go ahead and take advantage of that link in the description for the best free trial and benefits just for you.